everyone, in front of me I've got SAMSUNG Galaxy A53 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it. And here we have to scroll down to almost very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it, and if you will open it for the very first time you will have to choose which option you'd like to use this time. So let's tap on digital well-being, and as you can see we've been immediately transferred to the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and you can see that I've been using it for almost 3 hours. What's more, under it you've got listed some apps which mostly I've been using, and here you can check more details using 2 different ways. So first of all you can tap on graph or on particular app. So after tapping on graph you will be able to see and check the data for particular days, and the dashboard will be connected with whole screen, so you will be able to check most apps, notifications received, and the unlocks. And after getting back, as I said, we've got another way also to check the details. Just tap on particular app, and as you can see the data will be shown only for this app, and of course the times opened and notifications received and so on and so on. So 2 different ways to check the details, further info, and under it you've got some goals and ways to disconnect, and I'd like to focus on this option because it's quite useful in the situation if you need, for example, time for yourself, you'd like to rest, you need work, and so on, whatever reason you've got, and you will be able to set the schedule in which your device will simply limit the notifications from most distracting apps. So I highly recommend to just set the schedule and have free time for yourself. What's more, under it you've got some comfort care, so volume monitor and driving monitor, and if you'd like to enter the parental controls you can do it right here. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your SAMSUNG Galaxy A53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.